Good morning!
Good morning. Hello. I'm gonna recite A to B.
A to F.
I'm gonna recite A to B and then C.
A to F verses. Okay, ready, Clyde? Letter A.
As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord.
Look at Nene, anak. Again, ready, get, set, go.
As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord.
Letter B. Stand straight. Letter B.
Create in me.
B. B.
Be kind to one another and build each other up.
Letter C.
Oh, I love C. Create in me a pure heart, O God, and renew a steadfast spirit within me.
Okay, letter D.
Do to others as you would have them do to you.
Letter E.
Every knee will bow before me. Every tongue acknowledge God. Ow! Ow!
Stand up.
Ow! My knee got
E.
hurt.
F na, your favorite. Go.
Okay. And as my favorite.
Okay. F. Ready? Show me your action. 1, 2, 3, go.
For God has not given us the spirit of fear and timidity, but of power.
Again.
For God has not given us the spirit of fear and timidity, but of power, love, and self-discipline.
Very good.
Psalm 103, verses 1 to 5. Bless the Lord, all my soul, and forget all that is within me. Bless His holy name. Bless the Lord, all my soul, and forget not all His benefits. Who heals, who forgives all your iniquities, who heals your diseases, who redeems you from the pit, who crowns you with steadfast love.
Crowns you again. Ready, go.
Who crowns you with steadfast love and mercy. Who heals,
Satisfies.
satisfies you with good.
So that
Your youth will be
is renewed.
Like an eagle.
Okay, thank you.